parts, accessories too. We've got it all just for you. Remote service, near or far, Cell Care's the best